Oracle Lighting offers multiple options for controlling the ColorSHIFT LED products you choose, and each option varies in functionality, installation, and price. In this video, we'll be reviewing the most popular options for RGB control so you can choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Starting off with our most popular, the BC1 Bluetooth controller is a top seller for a reason. This compact and rugged Bluetooth controller uses the free smartphone app, Oracle ColorSHIFT. Through the app, you can select from dozens of color variations, illumination patterns, control the brightness, adjust the speed, and even control the lights with music. And if you want a multi-zone setup, the app supports up to 3 controller devices that can be controlled separately or simultaneously. The controller features outputs with waterproof connections for easy wiring to your ColorSHIFT lighting products. This controller was designed to easily install in the engine bay. This is a great option for smartphone control with an easy install and a wide variety of pre-programmed functions at a budget-friendly price. The only downside to the BC1 is that it does require your phone's Bluetooth, meaning you will need to disconnect from other devices. Next up is our ColorSHIFT Wireless controller. It's easy to install and very compact, so it can be mounted in the engine bay or used for applications with limited space like motorcycles or off-road vehicles. This is an RF remote with a range of approximately 100 feet. But keep in mind that the range will be decreased if there are dense objects such as a car battery between the remote and the receiver. The antenna is flexible and can be easily adjusted for range. The wireless controller has strobing, fading, and smoothing functions, plus speed adjustments. This controller has a nice range and is easy to install and use, although you will need to scroll to find your desired color. You can also get more functions with the BC1 at a similar price point. Lastly, let's look at our 2.0 ColorSHIFT controller. It packs a lot of features and has plenty of power to run multiple products at the same time. You can see that this has a handheld remote as well as a keypad on the box itself, giving you 2 ways to adjust the lights. The kit also comes with an infrared eye extension. This should be mounted in a place that's easy to access while keeping the box out of sight. Another unique feature of the 2.0 is the preview window that allows you to see the color output without looking directly at the lighting product. Wrapping up, the 2.0 is very powerful with 2 control options and custom colors. It is an infrared controller, so you do need a direct line of sight, and it must be installed inside the cabin for protection. We hope that this video has helped you choose the right ColorSHIFT controller for you, but our team is available to help with any other questions over the phone at 1-800-407-5776.